Welcome all of you. My name is Gopal Vachola. I am from Gujarat. I completed B from Gujarat University and pursuing Master from Rajasthan University. In this presentation, I explain the mind dust. Let's start the presentation. In this presentation, I cover 7 topics of the mind dust. First is introduction. Second is source of mind dust and by blasting, impact on health, factor affecting resulting of the mine dust, prediction of the dust, and controlling method of the dust. First topic is introduction of the mine dust. Mine dust is very dangerous for the environmental. The generation of the dust is one of the environmental problem cases by the mining industry. According to very research center and institute to explain the various definition, according to the international standard organization to explain the definition of the dust. The dust is a small solid particle conventionally take at those particles below the 75 micrometer in the diameter which settle out under their own weight but which may remain suspended for the sometimes. It is a current problem for all Indian mines. It is the current problem in mine operation and it almost all form of the mining. Mineral dust is generated through the range of the process starting from the blasting through the transportation, sample preparation, processing and handling. Dust may be defined as the solid particle of matter that are normally produced by some mining operation like their blasting, drilling, crushing, grinding, dumping, transportation and explosion. Dust particle ranges varies from 10 micrometer to 0.004 inch. Next slide is classification of the dust. Approximately 5 types of dust. First is mineral dust, metallic dust, chemical dust, organic and vegetable dust, and biohazard dust. In this presentation, I explain the resulting of the dust by the blasting operation in the mining area. You can see in the figure how much quantity of the dust resulting by the blasting operation in the mining area. You can see the figure of the resulting of the mining dust by the blasting. Second topic is the sources of the mine dust. The various sources to resulting of the mining dust in mining area. First is mineral exploitation, transport system, unloading, processing plant, wind erosion, exploitation include the blasting, drilling, mucking, and primary crusher stage. In this slide, you can see the blasting operation which produce the mine dust with figure. You can see the first operation, the blasting to produce of how much quantity of the dust. Second is transportation system which produce the mine dust by the transportation of the dumper. Third is the drilling to produce the mine dust by the drilling equipment. Fourth is dumping, truck loading and conveyor system. First topic is the mine dust by the blasting operation. The blasting operation is the more important the production of the ore, but it is more dangerous for production of the negative effect like that ground vibration, overpressure, mine dust, fly rope, some etc. Blasting is one of the operations that is carried out in the most mines and may produce a very large quantity of the dust. Approximately 85% of the blasting energy used in the negative effect in environment like the fly rope, ground vibration, air overpressure and mine dust. Approximately 20 to 40% of the dust is used developing in agricultural production. The quantity of the dust produced and effect of its dispersion depend substantially on the ground condition, geological condition, blasting condition, and meteorological condition. In one investigation, approximately 3.62 gram per ton mine dust production by the drilling operation, approximately 72.5 gram per ton production of the dust by the blasting operation. Particle released in to the air is the global atmosphere contain particles that combine with the constituent in the air, and the main constituent of this particle is mineral dust. You can see the video of the resulting of the dust by the blasting operation in the mine area. Carefully show the how much quantity of the production of the dust by the blasting operation in mining, which is highly dangerous for human health and machinery of the mining. You see the resulting of the dust in mining area. First topic is impact on the mine dust. Depending on the meteorological condition, this dust can disperse in substantial distance, adversely impact on local community. Damage to the vegetation, agriculture is also possible. The problem of human health can face the problem with the social concern in nearby the community as well as problem of image and awareness. Impact of the human health. The impact on human health mainly depending on the composition of the mine dust. The main diseases are related to asbestos and silica. In other cases, the dust contains heavy metals susceptible to produce a specific disease. In this figure, you can show the respirable way of the human body and how the disease of the lungs. The various effects by the mine dust. First is the respirable effect of the mine dust. First in pneumococcis, lung cancer, nasal cancer, respiratory irritation, allergy, bisonosis, and respiratory infection. Second is general effect. Intoxication, skin lesion, conjunctivitis. Fifth topic is the mine dust is factor affecting resulting of the mine dust. Various factors affecting the mining dust like that area of the blasting, using explosive in the blasting, the blasting parameter, so much, rock property, etc. Some of the estimation of the quantity of the dust produced have been either based on the area of the blast or based on the quantity of the explosive. The dust generation and the dispersion are influenced by the blasting design parameter and exclusion. The settling down of the blasting dust mainly depending on the meteorological condition of the atmosphere. The blasting parameter which resulting the mining dust like the type and amount of the explosive, burden and spacing parameter, delay timing, subgrade drilling, and various blasting parameters affecting the dust generation can be understood, then more effective steps can be taken to reduce the generation of the dust. Some other factor which affecting the mine dust like that rock property, atmosphere stability, and explosive density. The prediction of the mine dust. Mainly two methods to use the prediction of the mine dust. First is the manual method, second is the technical method. In first method, manual method, for the prediction of the mine dust is mainly depending on the some condition like the meteorological condition, ground condition, wind erosion, blasting parameter, and blasting pattern. We can only assume the how much quantity of the dust resulting, not accurate result. The second is the technical method for prediction of the mine dust. The various system use the prediction of the dust like that. ANN means the artificial neural network system, Fuji inference system, GenAI expression programming system. The artificial neural network system is more accurate than other methods to accurately result of the mine dust. You can see the one figure of the artificial neural network in this system, mainly three layer: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. Seventh topic of the mind test this presentation is the controlling method. Controlling of the mind test is more important because it is more dangerous for human health. The proper combination of the blasting parameters then reduce the production of the dust. The blasting parameter is combination like such as the burden distance, blast hole spacing, stemming height, effective subgrade drilling, initiation sequence, charge distribution, priming method, and ratio of the charge diameter to blast hole diameter need to tailor in such a way to blast will be reduced the fine and dust. The various method to controlling the mine dust is the extra hole which fill with the water, water bowl filled with the water fill ampoule in the stemming, water sprinkling of the area surrounding the blast, polycrystalline material to use in fill in a blast hole, and surfactant material used in fly hole to reduce the resulting of the mine dust. I can use some types of reference to make this presentation. Thank you so much, all of you.